Welcome guys, today I show you how to use different layers in Blender. Under 2.8 it was layers, but now here since 2.8 that calls scene collections, okay? And you find them here in the outliner. And in collection 1 you find everything like camera, lightning and any object you create. And now I will create a new collection for the sculpted head of this project. First I turn on and make it visible. And here it is. Then select the sculpted mesh. Here on this button you can create a new collection. Let's go up, turn this off and you see collection 2 and name it sculpting. And then press M and you can also create a new collection and you can move your selected mesh to any other collection you want. And we choose sculpting. Now it's on a different layer or collection and you can still see it, but here you can turn off any layer you want, okay? If you found this tutorial was helpful, then give it a like, subscribe to my channel and see you in a new video. Bye!